How to recover a Gmail account without phone number or recovery email. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can recover our Gmail account without the phone number or our recovery email, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you open up the Gmail application here and then you just tap the profile icon and maybe you're trying to add another account but you don't remember the password, then the problem is to reset it. You don't have your phone number, you had not added a phone number, and there's also not a recovery email. So let me just go ahead and then type in a email first of all here, and once you type in an email you basically tap the next option here and it'll ask you to enter the password. Now unfortunately, if you had not added the phone number or the recovery email, you will not be able to recover your Google account or your Gmail account password. If you had added either of this, it's easy for you to go ahead and recover it, but if you had not added, you can see even if I tap the forgot password option, Google will just see me that you didn't provide enough info for Google to be sure that the account is really yours. Google asks for this info to keep your account secure. If possible, try again and use a device on which you've signed in before. If your account is managed with Family Link, we've sent an email to your parent to change the password. So as you can see, if you had not added either of those, Google will not let you recover it. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.